Welcome to SiriusXM with 360L, the most advanced entertainment experience ever offered in Jaguar vehicles. With an unparalleled variety of premium entertainment and innovative features that make discovering what you want to listen to easier than ever, and a personalized experience for every driver, SiriusXM with 360L and Jaguar make a great match. Listener profiles allow you to link your SiriusXM listener profile with your Jaguar In Control profile, providing custom content recommendations across music and on-demand content. Your SiriusXM listener profile is also available via the SiriusXM app when you listen outside of your vehicle, ensuring you have easy access to all your favorite artists and teams wherever you listen. SiriusXM with 360L gives you more entertainment in your vehicle than ever before, including thousands of hours of on-demand shows, as well as 100 plus extra channels featuring music for every mood, occasion, and activity. You can also browse available content by category and then by the channel you want to listen to. Use the For You category to discover content recommended just for you based on your listening preferences and favorites. You can also easily create your very own ad-free Pandora artist channels via voice search or the built-in keyboard. Just click the search button. You can further personalize your listening experience by providing thumbs up or thumbs down on tracks as you listen. And when you're listening to something you really love, tap or navigate to Related to discover even more channels, on-demand shows, ad-free Pandora artist stations, and extra channels related to what you're currently listening to. If you prefer to listen to on-demand shows and interviews, just choose your category and the on-demand content link will be at the top. The music, sports, and other content you love the most is just a click away via the Favorites screen, giving you easy access to all of your favorites in one place. And for superfans, SiriusXM 360L includes notifications for music and sports, giving you real-time alerts that your favorite song, artist, league, or team is currently playing. For the sports fans, you can easily find and enjoy your favorite games or matches live with just a couple of touches of your screen. Select Sports and then Live Sports. This will give you all your favorite sports and teams in one location for easy access. The Live Sports subcategory will provide you with a list of live games with the home team on the right, away team on the left, including the current score of the game. The Live Sports play-by-play feature displays scores and information of the game or match you are listening to. Live Sports play-by-play also lets you listen to the audio from either team's home broadcast. Just click on the team logo to switch between audio from the home or away team. In addition to enjoying the innovative features and premium content of the SiriusXM with 360L in your vehicle, you can also enjoy SiriusXM on your phone with the SiriusXM app, online and at home on compatible connected devices. SiriusXM with 360L and Jaguar. Welcome to the future of in-vehicle entertainment.